Hello traders, welcome back. Forex market video signals. It's Friday today, last day of the trading week, and we wanted to revisit our short position on the Euro Canadian and give you a shout out about the situation here, which becomes increasingly interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. You see price coming off, yesterday, and it looks innocent, but it's really not. I want to show you what's going on here. Check this level here, 51.99, right? 51.99. We have this level here for a long time now. It's a huge key level, and the fact that price just crossed over is a big deal. We think it's a big deal. I want to show you how it looks like from this perspective, the weekly perspective, and I'm sure you can appreciate it much better now that you see it, right? So let me just elaborate a little bit here. Price came from above. It actually came from the very edge of this system. By the way, if you want to see the whole system, I'm going to have to switch to the monthly chart. Check this out. It's a huge system, right? It's a huge formation. Started back at, 2015, right? That's how old it is. And we think price coming off that edge here at the upper edge, we think it's going to it's going to complete a downside move, eventually reaching the lower section, which means 43.92 and down. Obviously, this is a long-term type of trading opportunity we're describing here, right? But guys, what I really want to focus here on is that breakdown, because we've seen price engaging with that level a few weeks ago for the first time, and it failed the first time, it failed the second time, and it failed the third time, right? 3 consecutive weeks back to back, all of which failed to break through 51.89. We knew that this is an explosive key level, a very strong support, but it was broken, right? At some point last week, price had been successful breaking through, and it did that with that weekly breakdown confirmation, right? That weekly close below 51.99. So that was very encouraging, from a bearish perspective, right? And we pulled the trigger. You can see the trades. We fired up once and we fired up twice, right? Just to see price basically turning around and beginning to move upwards. So that wasn't very, very good for us. We've seen price coming against us, but we kept the position intact. We didn't close the position. We didn't even reduce the exposure, because we felt that this might be just a bit of a bullish trap, where price eventually will come back and close the week below 51.99, just to show us how powerful this resistance level is, right? Again, 51.99. Now, when I switch to the weekly chart, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Price was trying to pound on that level, trying to cross over from below, and it was successful temporarily, right? Now it's pulling back. Now, guys, this is the last day of the week. So we're going to have, by the end of the day, we're going to have that weekly close. I bet it's going to look like this, right? Price will remain below 51.89, just spiking it from below, which is a huge indication for, just continuation of this downside movement. It just confirms that breakdown of that 51.89, which by now switched to be a strong resistance, right? So it looks like it's a pivotal point, the point of no return. So at this point, we just expect a full-fledged downside trend that will take us all the way to 43.92. By the way, that is our primary target and final destination, but I'm not, we don't think it's gonna happen soon, quickly, right? It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take a long time to reach 43.92, and time is on our side. We got time, so we're gonna try to build up a decent sized position going downwards, right? Stop loss level, guys. It's still in its original placement, 53.35. Once price begins to build up some negative momentum here, we'll begin to adjust the stop loss level accordingly. That's about that for this one. Euro Canadian. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.